This video is about a method of heat transfer called convection. Convection occurs only in liquids and gases. Now to show this, I've got this loop which is full of water. I'm going to put in 1 crystal of potassium permanganate because this is a very powerful dye and we can use this to show the movement of the water when it's heated by convection. So I'm using basically just a tea light here because I don't want it to happen very quickly. So as the heat is transferred to the water, basically what will happen is that the water will start to move. As it moves, it will take some of the colour of the dye from the potassium permanganate, which you can see is beginning to happen up here now. So we're beginning to see purple as it dissolves, and it will show then the movement of the water by convection. As we can see already, it's beginning to spread out to the right. Now, as the water is heated more and more, so the dye will spread more and more, and we will see what is happening. I've had to show it against the background of the wall so the colour shows up. As you can see now, the colour is spread all the way along to the end. And as it reaches the end, it will then start to spread further. I'm going to pause this for a while so we see what happens. Now, as you can see now, the colour is spread right along. It's falling down here, and you can see the purple colour there, and is beginning to spread along the bottom. Now, as we carry on heating, we'll see even more about what happens. So, because I'm using a gentle tea light, it's not the fastest, so I'm going to pause it. Now, as you can see, the dye is spread all the way along the bottom, and you can now see it's beginning to rise up the dye, and it's coming back to the top again. So this movement is called a convection current, and it occurs in liquids and gases. Try to explain the movement of the water and start by what happens here, which is the water which is directly above the candle. In this second video, I'm going to look at convection in gases. Now, this is called a smoke box. Basically, it consists of a candle, and we've got 2 chimneys. The candle is directly under one chimney, and I'm going to introduce some smoke into the top of the other chimney. And if you watch the movement of the smoke, this shows us what happens with convection in gases. So I'm going to put the convection tube, just at the top of the other tube. As you can see the smoke coming down. Now, watch what happens when it reaches the candle. As you can see, when it reaches the candle, the gas rises, smoke rises up. So we'll look at that once more, just produce a bit more gas, a bit more smoke. So there's our smoke. You can see it's coming across. It rises up by the candle and comes out through the chimney. Can you explain what is happening there?